Hey, Tom Wilmot again for the third of our videos that describes the indicators used in the Zealander fly trap trading system. So welcome, and here we go. The third indicator that we use in our combination is Chandelier. It's called a Chandelier, and it provides an indication of where we're likely to find support and resistance as price moves and ebbs and flows over time. In this particular case, we're still talking about the USD JPY, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen in a 15-minute time frame. And in order to get the indicator, we'll go to Insert, Indicator, Custom, and here we'll have to move back up a bit. Several versions of the Chandelier that I've done over time, and then I put another one in this particular case that I edited. And in here we have two colors, and I'll explain that in just a second. We have change of our value to 2 for the thickness of the line, so it's clearly visible. We're not going to be changing any of the inputs at all here. We're just going to be changing the color volume. And by the way, this indicator is also available to you in forexfactory.com if it's not available in your first implementation of MetaTrader. You can download many good indicators from the threads in forexfactory.com. And if you contact me, I'll be trying my best to share those with you if you'd like them. So in any event, here we have it. Then we've seen that this has been printed on the screen. We've seen that after a big downturn, after the Japanese central bank made a big policy statement that caused the dollar to collapse, basically, we had a red chandelier, which indicates that in order for price to move higher, it would have to cut through this resistance. Notice that when price banged through this and breached the red chandelier, a white chandelier was created, the white line was created. And when price failed, as we see here with the blue medallion, came down, we see that it switched back to a red medallion, which stayed the whole way until we just got to this point where we saw that updrift as the bulls tried to get back control of price and add some value. But then down we went, pulled back into the bands, and that ended the day on the downtrend continuation. So once again, we have a white line indicated by the chandelier when we have support underneath us. We have a red chandelier when we're looking for resistance, price resistance. And notice that even though we broke through, this was a very important level of resistance, and in fact price could not continue higher. The same thing is true here with a continuation to the downside. We'll come back and see how these three put together create buy and sell zones, and we talk a lot about that in the book, but in this particular video we'll cut it short here and just have described the chandelier for you. Hope it helped, and I'll see you in the next video as we continue to clear the figures in the book. Thank you.